هاي خذ أن تتردد علي كثيرا وسأقدم لك أفضل.
تابع جيدا الأخبار.
مرحبا.
تعال إلى المستودع مساء.
ليجو شباش موريلي.
يشاهد الصبيان أحيانا وهم يقطعون الطوب ماذا حدث؟ على الحديث عن الأشياء
يعيشون في القطاع الأخضر وراء المزارع.
Lend me your eyes. Forgive me, Enkidu. I lacked vigilance.
Why are the soldiers patrolling?
There was an attack in Sharqiya. Everyone's on edge.
Sounds like trouble.
The whole area is on high alert. I am expected.
Hold on.
We'll make a mistake.
What? Hey!
Conceal outlaws, come there.
Your hour has come. They are a threat no more. Fly free, Enkidu. Survey the area, Enkidu.
Almost shot myself. Now you play! What in the name of... What's that? Nothing to worry about. Something going on. What the?
A key. There must be a door it opens.
Hey! Doing our jobs is never a bad idea.
You're out there, aren't you?
What?
What? I will catch you. Who? Trouble about. Feel it. Hey!
Almost shot myself.
I know you're there.
Hey, who's throwing things about? What? Stay back. No telling what it might do.
لا يبشر ذلك بخير.
Nothing. Right.
There is a note. Al-Mardakhwar had questions about our friend's past. Smart. He was ordered to a meeting at the Great Garrison. That is 2 down. I should return to Fulad. I should return to Fulad and tell him Al-Rukh and Al-Aishma are dead.
كانت هنا آخر مرة. يواجهنا افتقار القيادة المناسبة في سامراء بالتأكيد.
Citizens, do you dread the Mirage stand? What if you should stick it on the road? For the poor, for the pilgrim, for the man with no physician to attend him? Take Ar-Razi and publish a new treatise. من لا
Wait, Ali. Let us hear from Basim first. Were you successful in your tasks?
General Jasur and Admiral Nadir are dead.
Did you find anything to identify Al-Mardakhwar?
Not exactly. General Jasur was commanded to meet Al-Mardakhwar at the Great Garrison. It seems his past finally caught up with him. Admiral Nadir was questioned about missing supply shipments meant for the Turkic military. Al-Mardakhwar was not happy.
So, Al-Mardakhwar is at the Great Garrison overseeing supplies for the Turkic mercenaries. There is only one officer of sufficient rank who fits. Warlord Wasif at-Turki.
Wasif. This makes sense. There are few others who could have taken Beshi.
Beshi has been taken?
He never came back.
Wasif just returned from an excursion for the Khalifa and is at the garrison. If he has Beshi, that is where he will be.
Then that is where I am going.
Wasif controls half of Baghdad. If we challenge him and fail, It could start a war that reaches even Alamut. You need Basim.
Fine. I will meet Basim near the garrison before I move, but do not take long. I am finished waiting.
Enter the great garrison and kill Wasif. He must not escape, and it must look like Ali did it. The safety of Alamut depends on it.
It will be done.